All right, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this video series where we'll talk about effective team building strategies that will help you to make money in any network marketing business, such as magnet huge ecosystem. If you apply these strategies to what you are doing, I can assure you at the end of the day, you are going to make some money, right? And then we have been able to talk about launch strategy, we'll talk about team building strategies, and then we'll have talked about network marketing specific strategies. Right now, we're going to talk about the crypto specific strategy, right? Crypto specific strategies because we're talking about this because Magnet is a huge ecosystem that's around crypto niche. So if you have to engage people, remember that how to build an effective team is ability to add value to people. If you know how to add value to people, then people will believe in you, and when they believe in you, become your social asset. The result is that you're going to make money. That's how it is. And there's no rocket science about these things. It works anywhere in the world. It works everywhere in the world. Don't mind me. Okay, so first strategies that has to relate to crypto in building your team is the first and foremost. Knowledge is important. Remember how we started this series. Knowledge is important, and the first thing you need to do is to educate your team on crypto and blockchain. That's the first thing that you need to do. Of course, they cannot promote your product, or let's say Magnet, effectively if they don't have in-depth knowledge about where this business is located. So Magnet is a crypto platform. Strategies you are going to use is to make sure you educate your people about crypto. Teach them. I remember when we started Magnet, I ran a for my team. I have to get them pay for it, because sometimes when people they don't take it serious. Even with the ridiculous amount I put that training, some people didn't take it serious, even paid. So sometimes you have to get them be serious with what you're teaching, and it's important. So I have to run a training, a long training, over 2 weeks training, talking about cryptocurrencies. We'll talk about what is cryptocurrency. We'll talk about opportunities in cryptocurrency. We'll talk about how to research a coin before you buy. We'll talk about different type of things, how to do trading and so on and so forth. We learned it. Okay, so that's part of the things, and so many of these guys now, some people have learned airdrop, they're doing it, and they're actually making small money. The first strategies for you now in promoting Magnet is that you must be able to educate your people about crypto. That's why we said in the first place, during the pre-launch strategy that we talked about, you have to educate yourself. That's where this comes in, because you cannot give out what you do not have. It is what you have that you're going to give to people. So if you don't know about crypto, then you cannot tell people about crypto. So, but there are ways around this, because in network marketing, you have no excuse not to succeed. Even when you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the education, you can bring the people to someone that have the knowledge, maybe a higher upline, another leader, you collaborate together, and then they will teach your people crypto, and then you too will. Okay, so there are people who know something but they don't know how to communicate it. So you can now bring these people to another person who can tell them everything related to crypto. They will have to understand it. If they have to duplicate and market well, they too need to understand crypto. All right. The second thing we're going to talk about here is highlight the potentials of this ecosystem. We are talking about what are the potentials of Magnet in the crypto world? What are they bringing on board? What are the things, the narratives they are bringing on board? For example, they are bringing a DEX whereby a newbie, I'm sorry about the noise in my background, I'm sorry about the noise. A newbie in crypto will be able to do his crypto trading with the use of Magnet DEX. They simplified everything. You have a particular platform is actually decentralized, but you can be able to get all the features of centralized exchanges in that particular exchange. And then you can also get information, an aggregate information, just like the way you use CoinMarketCap and so on and so forth to do your market analysis. So that's okay. They have bring cryptocurrency arbitrage that is real, whereby you don't have to pay money to anybody, but you are going to do your arbitrage. So try to educate people what this ecosystem is bringing on board and what they are actually bringing into the space. It's very important for people to know the selling points of the magnet ecosystem that you're promoting, or whatever project that you that has to relate with crypto is you have to stay up to date with crypto market trends. You have to stay up to date. You have to be able to carry your team along and give them information on strategies, strategies upon strategies upon strategies. Give them trend, what is happening in the market. For example, a few days ago, it was Trump coin. Everybody was talking about it. And people made some crazy. Okay, I made some money too, because of the trend. All right, so when you know the trend and you carry your team along, they have this trend, they know this trend, it will be easier for them to be able to follow the crypto world. And if they are making money, for example, or they have information and they are making money, then it is easier. When they make money, then you call them for business, they will do it. If they make money from other sources, for example, they can be able to activate magnets, higher slots, and you make some money. So that's it, the 3 strategies that has to relate with crypto in this series that we are running about. We're going to do so many other things. So make sure you share, comment on the video, so that you turn on the bell notification icon not to miss any last series. On the last video of this series, we're going to talk about tracking and evaluation, and it's very, very important for you business forward, because you need to track, evaluate, and then be able to try to re-strategize, change your strategies. Thank you so much, blessed man, and I will see you in my next video.